Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to install Minecraft on Mac. So installing Minecraft on a Mac is a straightforward process, so let's get started. First thing first, open any web browser and search for the Minecraft website. You can see the Minecraft download option also available there. Simply type down Minecraft download to navigate straight to the download page. Then you can see the download option available there in green highlight. Simply tap on it to download it to the Mac. Your Mac might show on verified files, but simply tap on it, download, and it will take some time to download. So after it is downloaded, you will have to drag your Minecraft to the application option available there. After that, simply search for the Minecraft in the launchpad. If you can't find it, then search in the search address bar and it will be installed to your Mac. It might take some time because there are few more process for Minecraft to be installed on Mac. After it is installed, you can open it through the dock or applications form. So now simply tap on the Minecraft option shown in the dock to open it. And here you have it. Now all left is to log into your Minecraft account and play your Minecraft very smoothly in your MacBook. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.